Yo, what is up guys? It's your boy Rico in here and we are back again with another video. So right now we will be talking about an exchange that recently partnered with Binance then and PancakeSwap. Ang pag-uusapan natin right now. PancakeSwap is an exchange under the BSC network. So kung alam niyo naman, ang ating Marblex network is meron na tayong partnered na Binance. Alright? So dahil meron tayong Binance, ang way pa lang para makakuha tayo ng MBX through BSC chain is through the PancakeSwap. So ito pa lang yung currently na meron tayo if hindi tayo dadaan ng mga exchanges o kagaya ng mga Binance. So bawal pa tayo mag-swap doon directly sa Binance. And currently, the only way for us to have BNB and BNB BSC na chain under the Marblex network is through PancakeSwap pa lang. So right now, I'm gonna be showing you guys how efficient gating MBX through PancakeSwap. No? So right now, check lang natin yung website nila. Kung wala pa kayo sa network na to guys, it is under BNB chain. No? So meron din siya ibang networks like Ethereum, Polygon, ZK Sync, Arbitrum, Linea, Base, and Aptos. So ayun yung mga wallets na pwede nating connect or mga networks natin na pwede connect. And currently, I'm connecting my wallet which is my MetaMask address or MetaMask account. So if wala pa yung MetaMask account guys, I already have a guide for you guys to have your own MetaMask account. So ngayon, kung makita natin dito, the Moon, ang tawag sa kanilang token ng PancakeSwap natin is the Cake. Alright? So marami silang staking dito guys. Yung mga use nila right now is they have the trading, just like the Marblex ecosystem that we have swap sa Marblex swap natin, diba? We have the trade. We also have the liquidity. Pwede tayong mag-stake. Perpetual. Wala akong perpetual sa Marblex natin. Ano na to? Futures na to. Sa bridge, we can bridge na rin sa ating Marblex network. Wala tayong limit dito. We can also buy crypto sa ating Marblex network. We also have earn. Yan yung mga pool natin. Liquidity staking natin sa Marblex. Meron na rin tayo yan. So, right now, overall, PancakeSwap is somehow complete na rin at some point, no? So marami na rin siya, may mga staking na rin dito if you guys wanna check it out. Pero right now, pag-uusapan lang natin yung trading natin kung gaano kadali mag-swap dito sa PancakeSwap. So currently, ang value ng BNB Cake natin is 183.50 BNB Cake. So per cake daw, yan. So we have 183. So pakita ko sa inyo guys gaano ka-efficient tong itong network natin or yung PancakeSwap natin. So right now, ang goal natin is to have a MBX, diba? So ang MBX natin, yung rate natin yan under BNB MBX. So may tayo dito, meron siyang pairing na lalabas dito. So under BNB and MBX. And tingin tayo dito, ano bang kailangan natin? We need the USDT. So meron tayo USDT dito. And kung makita natin dito, we can have 26.83 MBX for our $18 na USD. So ang meron tayong trading fee dito which is 0.183 USDT lang naman. Mababa lang naman yan. So what's the point of having USDT MBX here and BNB network? So kayo guys kasi, di ba yung MetaMask address natin na yan, pag nakakonect na gaya ng sinabi natin from our recent guide, di ba? Once we have this Marblex account, yan, magkakaroon tayo ng BNB chain na MBX. So if ever that you guys have a MetaMask account, mas madali nyo lang masend yung MBX nyo directly na from MetaMask to MetaMask since yung MetaMask ko ngayon is nakalink na yung MBX account ko mismo dito. So, I imported my own private key to my MetaMask account. So, meron tayong MBX dito. So, for example, you guys have BNB network. So, mas madali na hindi ka nadadaan ng mga exchange like Binance. If you guys want, meron ka ng USDT sa Binance network mo, diretso ka na mag-swap dito sa PancakeSwap, then you're just gonna send it directly to your MetaMask account. So, nasa MetaMask account mo na yan, isasend mo na lang siya dito sa address mo dito sa Marblex account mo and ma-access mo na rin siya sa phone mo. That's easily it. Napakadali lang mag-access ng tokens mo since ito nga yung goal ng Marblex swap natin and ng Marblex 3.0 natin so Warp, which is they want to have communities to have easy and convenient swapping from tokens to tokens that we have from Binance network to Clayton network and so on na we will be partnering with. So USDT MBX natin yan. If you guys wanna swap it, kiklik nyo lang naman yung swap, then confirm swap nyo lang yan. Then ayan, you just have to approve the transaction dito sa MetaMask natin. Click the max, then next nyo na yan. And after nyo man next yan, insufficient gas, wala daw tayong gas fee since you need BNB to swap here. Okay? Kailangan nyo ng pang gas fee. Since wala tayong pang gas fee, hindi tayo makakapag mababa yung gas fee natin. So, you have to swap. Yan, confirm swap. Then, after that one, madali na yan, guys. We just have to be mindful na always swap with gas fee. So, gaya ko, wala tayo pang gas fee right now. And, pag in-approve ko to, yun, nagpalit na tayo ng account natin. Pag in-approve ko to, pwede na natin ma-swap yan. Okay? So, since naka-Trezor tayo, kailangan natin gamitin yung Trezor natin, and so on. So, that's basically it, guys. Napakadali. In terms of efficiency, guys, I think this is much better than going to the conventional na bumadaan tayo ng mga exchange natin like Binance. Pag meron kayong tokens guys, diretso nyo na dito. Meron naman din gas fee dito. Mas mababa yung gas fee sa trading fee natin instead of sending your USDT to directly from Binance, then dito lilipat-lipat ka pa. Mas madali na magdaan ka na lang sa PancakeSwap instead of especially when you have assets, 'di ba? Dito ka na lang sa PancakeSwap instead of getting it directly from Binance. Okay? So that's basically it, guys. I hope that you guys learned something. When it comes to efficiency, guys, talaga ito yung best tip ko sa inyo. Go to PancakeSwap. It is much efficient, mas cheaper yung gas fee natin dito, and it requires some BNB lang naman for gas fee, and yung price impact natin dito is 0.01 lang naman, and yung trading fee natin is 0.183 USDT. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope that you guys learned something. And yeah, see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.